When considering a VPN like IVPN, there are a few things you should know before buying. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features, pros, and cons of IVPN, comparing it with other popular options on the market, so you can make an informed decision. First off, IVPN is known for its focus on privacy and security. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't store user logs, and it's based in Gibraltar, which has strong privacy laws. This makes it a solid choice for users who value anonymity. However, it's not the cheapest option available, and if you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN, you might want to consider others like NordVPN or Surfshark. Next thing, IVPN supports all major devices and platforms. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, or iOS, you're covered. It's also one of the few VPN services that offer dedicated apps for routers, which makes it great for securing your entire home network. However, it doesn't have as many simultaneous connections as some of its competitors, like ExpressVPN, which offers 5 connections, while IVPN limits you to 3. The third thing to consider is IVPN's speeds. It's relatively fast, but when compared to VPNs like CyberGhost or PIA, which are known for their exceptional speed, IVPN can lag a little behind. This means if you're looking for the fastest speeds possible for gaming or streaming, there might be better choices. Next thing, the user interface. IVPN's app is clean, minimalistic, and user-friendly. However, if you're someone who prefers highly customizable settings, you might find it a bit too simplistic. On the other hand, this could be a pro if you're new to VPNs and want something easy to use. The fifth thing is their no-logs policy. IVPN is one of the few VPN providers that undergoes independent audits to verify its no-logs claim. This is something that sets it apart from others like ExpressVPN, which has also undergone audits, but has had issues in the past regarding some of its claims. Next, IVPN offers a kill switch, which is essential for maintaining your privacy if the VPN connection drops. Not all VPNs include this feature, but IVPN does, adding another layer of security. This makes it a solid option for people who prioritize security. The seventh thing is pricing. IVPN's pricing is on the higher end, especially when compared to affordable VPNs like ProtonVPN or Surfshark. However, if privacy is your top priority, you might be willing to pay a bit more for the peace of mind IVPN offers. The eighth thing is customer support. IVPN offers 24/7 support through live chat, but it's not as fast as some other VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which have more robust support systems. Still, IVPN's support team is knowledgeable and responsive, but there might be a bit of a wait time. The ninth thing to note is that IVPN doesn't have servers in as many countries as some of its competitors. If you need access to specific regions or want to access content from a broader range of countries, you might find services like CyberGhost or NordVPN more suitable. Next thing, IVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard in the VPN industry. This gives you a month to test the service and decide if it's right for you, without any risk. The 11th thing is its compatibility with streaming services. IVPN works well with Netflix and other platforms, but it's not as reliable when it comes to unblocking other region-locked content, like some of the top VPNs, such as ExpressVPN, which is known for being a go-to solution for streaming. Finally, IVPN security features are top-notch. It uses strong encryption, a no-logs policy, and advanced leak protection. This makes it an excellent choice for users who are serious about protecting their online privacy. However, if you're looking for additional features like ad blocking or extra security tools, you might want to explore options like NordVPN or CyberGhost. All in all, IVPN is a great option if privacy and security are your top concerns. It offers a reliable service with strong encryption and solid customer support. But if you're looking for something a little more affordable or feature-rich, there are alternatives to consider. Check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.